Before we embark on our microscopic adventure, let's prepare our workspace. Choose a clean, stable surface with ample space. Good lighting is crucial, so ensure the area is well lit to complement the microscope's illumination. Gather your tools: microscope, slides, cover slips, lens paper, and immersion oil if needed. Keep a notebook handy to record your observations. A well-organized workspace promotes a smooth and efficient microscopy experience. Remember, safety first. Always carry the microscope with two hands, one supporting the base and the other holding the arm. Place it gently on the surface, avoiding any sudden movements that could damage the instrument. A clean microscope is paramount for clear observations. Before each use, inspect your microscope for dust or debris. Use lens paper to gently clean the eyepieces, objectives, and condenser. Avoid using harsh materials like tissues or paper towels as they can scratch the delicate lenses. If using immersion oil, carefully clean the oil immersion objective using lens paper, moistened with a drop of lens cleaning solution. A pristine microscope guarantees optimal light transmission and prevents image distortion, ensuring you capture the tiniest details of your specimen. Turn on the microscope's light source. Adjust the illumination intensity to a comfortable level. Too much light can wash out details, while too little will make it difficult to see. Position the condenser just below the stage using the condenser adjustment knob. The condenser focuses light from the source onto the specimen, ensuring even illumination. Proper illumination is crucial for optimal contrast and resolution, allowing you to see the intricate details of the microscopic world. Microscopes come equipped with multiple objectives, each offering a different magnification level. Begin with the lowest power objective, usually 4 times, clicked into position. Use the coarse adjustment knob to bring the stage closer to the objective until the specimen comes into focus. This knob allows for large adjustments and is primarily used for initial focusing. Once the specimen is roughly in focus, switch to a higher power objective by rotating the nosepiece. Note: always use the nosepiece to switch objectives. Never grab the objectives themselves to avoid misalignment. Section 5. Slide mounting. Welcoming your specimen. First, prepare your specimen by placing it on a clean glass slide. Next, add a cover slip to protect the specimen and keep it flat for optimal viewing. Secure the slide onto the stage using the stage clips. Make sure to center the specimen over the stage opening, ensuring it's directly in the path of light. Properly mounted specimens guarantee a clear and unobstructed view, allowing for accurate observations and measurements. Section 6. Fine-tuning your view, condenser, and diaphragm. Now let's fine-tune the illumination for optimal contrast and resolution. Adjust the condenser diaphragm located beneath the stage to control the amount of light reaching the specimen. Closing the diaphragm increases contrast but decreases resolution. Opening it does the opposite. Experiment to find the right balance for your specimen. The condenser focuses light for even illumination, while the diaphragm controls the diameter of the light beam, both contributing to a clearer image. Section 7. Achieving clarity. The Art of Köhler Illumination. For the best image quality, utilize the Köhler illumination technique. This method involves adjusting the condenser and field diaphragm for optimal contrast, resolution, and even illumination. 1. Focus on the specimen using the 10 times objective. 2. Close the field diaphragm, located at the base of the microscope, until you see a sharp polygon of light. 3. Adjust the condenser height until the edges of the polygon are in sharp focus. 4. Center the polygon using the condenser centering screws. 5. Open the field diaphragm until the polygon just disappears from view. 6. Fine-tune the condenser diaphragm for optimal contrast and resolution. Section 8. Ergonomics. Comfort for the microscopic journey. Maintaining a comfortable posture is important during extended microscopy sessions. Sit with your back straight and adjust your chair height so your elbows are at a 90-degree angle when using the microscope. Take breaks to avoid eye strain. Look away from the eyepieces every 15 to 20 minutes and focus on something in the distance for a few seconds. Remember, a relaxed and comfortable posture reduces fatigue and allows you to focus on your observations. Section 9. Conclusion. Mastering the microscope. A gateway to discovery. Mastering the microscope opens a window to a world unseen by the naked eye. From the intricate details of cells to the fascinating structures of microorganisms, the possibilities for exploration are endless. By following these steps and practicing proper techniques, you can ensure optimal viewing experiences and make the most of your microscopic adventures. Remember, a well-maintained and properly used microscope is a powerful tool for scientific exploration and discovery. Keep exploring, stay curious, and let the wonders of the microscopic world inspire you.